Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So, in the last lecture, we discussed rate of reactions. My dear student, today we are going to learn a very important principle in chemistry which explain how equilibrium established in a chemical reactions. This is called as law of mass action. So today we are study law of mass action. So let's start. Introduction to law of mass action. Earlier studying the law of mass action was proposed by Goldberg and Voigt in 1864. It explain how the rate of a chemical reactions depends on the concentrations of reactants. Now, law of mass action statement of the law. The rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional to the product of the active masses in concentration of the reactants, each raised to a power equal to the number of molecules taking part in the reaction. General reaction form. For a reaction small a mean A mole of A plus B mole of B gaf C mole of C plus D mole of D. According to the law of mass action, the forward rate is proportional to the product of concentration of reactants. Rate of forward reaction directly proportional to A power A, B power B. The backward rate is proportional to the product of concentration of products. Rate of backward reaction directly proportional to C power C and D power D. At equilibrium, rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction. Now, so K forward mean K is a constant for forward rate as A power A, B power B, which is equal to K, which is also constant for backward or rate, it is C power C and D power D. Now dividing both sides, which give K is equal to C power C and D power D divided by A power A, B power B, where K is an equilibrium constant. Now, explanation with example. First one, formation of hydrogen iodide, Hi. Now, H2 gas plus I2 gas gave 2Hi is also gas. Now, according to law of mass action, K is equal to Hi per 2 divided by H2 and I2. This shows that the ratio of concentration of products to the reactants remains constant at equilibrium. Now, importance of law of mass action. First one, I explain the concept of chemical equilibrium. Second one, helps us calculate the equilibrium constant K. And third one, used to predict the direction of reaction. And fourth one, explains why some reaction go almost to completion while other remain partially completed. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on law of mass action. I hope you understand. So if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.